Okay, last person to leave the trunk gets the grand prize. Are you guys ready? And no entertainment. I'm gonna have to confiscate your guys' phones right now. Give me the phones. There we go. No, nah. Give me your
Up in the
phone.
room.
Pocket check.
That's right, check.
I need to give him a
Check the
pocket
pocket,
check.
bro.
Pocket
Go
check
on.
to make sure he doesn't have his phone.
Check in here too.
Car keys. This is entertainment though.
What? What? Play with my fucking keys?
If I catch you guys with any form of entertainment, you're done from the competition.
Here. Take my wallet.
Entertainment.
I'm gonna run off with it. No!
Okay, so let me show you guys the grand prize. The winner gets this beautiful box, gold box, and it has the grand prize in it. It's kind of heavy, so I'll put it right here. So the last person that's in the truck will be able to get this. So you guys ready? All right, get in the truck. Do it. Thank you guys for volunteering.
I almost knocked the thing over.
Okay.
Amazing.
So, you guys just gonna have to sit down, find ways to pass the time. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Have fun.
Thanks, Dad.
How's it going? It's been 10 minutes. How's it going?
Really good.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
All right.
Pretty cool.
Then I'm not gonna give you guys any hints about what's in the grand prize. All I'm gonna say is it's amazing. You guys are gonna want to stay in the trunk for it. Trust me. Do you think you're gonna win?
No. No, I believe they will win, but I will be in here for a long time. So, yeah, good luck, guys.
Days? Like you thinking days?
Oh,
Well,
I'm thinking more than days. Like,
well, there's no food or water, so you might.
I don't give a fuck. I can survive. I can survive without water. So.
Okay. Water's for pussies. Do you think you're gonna win this?
I'm gonna stay here
Dude,
forever.
Water's
Forever,
too
dude.
spicy.
This is a prize you'll want.
Yeah.
You're gonna just be dedicated
Yeah.
to
There's no answer.
this? Yeah. There's no entertainment, right? You guys aren't entertained?
No.
You guys entertain? Oh no, this is entertainment.
Oh,
You guys can't.
no!
You guys can't be occupied by this towel.
Look, I don't want water. Water's too spicy. That's really cool. That's really cool.
Hey, no watching the drone. No entertainment. No entertainment.
How about these hugs?
Give me the hook. Entertainment. No killing yourself. Hey, no strangling yourself with the hook. Give me the hook. Are you guys getting uncomfortable? Is that why you guys keep moving around a little bit?
Yeah. It's. We've been doing a ring around the rosy type. Shit.
No ring around the roadie. That's entertainment.
Oh, I'm
Oh,
sorry.
fuck.
Come on, guys. I'll be right back. Have fun. No, I'm kidding. No, don't have fun. Just sit there awkwardly. Let me make sure they're not doing anything fishy. He's on his phone. He's on his phone. Hey! Hey, I knew you had your phone. Hey! 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 Hey, hold on.
I didn't do it.
What was that you were on?
God,
I even have the GoPro as footage of you on your
God
phone.
is coming down to testify for me.
You're out.
He's coming to testify.
You're out. You're out.
He's coming to testify.
You're out.
No, fuck you.
Get out. Go away. Go home. All right.
Hey.
Okay, 2 more left.
No more cups.
You guys are dedicated. It's been a few hours.
Yeah.
Keep being dedicated to that grand prize because it's all worth it in the end. I'm gonna tempt them with some chips. If only you guys could have these yummy chips.
I don't want those chips.
Hey, you want some? You're out, so you get some chips if you get
Oh
out.
yeah.
There's no eating or drinking while you're in the
Oh
truck,
my
by
God.
the way.
Are you sure you guys don't want any?
What the fuck?
Maybe. Oh.
Yeah, it's tough because you don't get to eat or drink anything when you're in here.
Too bad. Technically called entertainment. So.
Yeah. Come out whenever you want.
I'm gonna
Don't be salty because those are salty. Okay.
I'm gonna still be dedicated.
Dedication. This man's dedicated.
Are you sure you guys don't want some spicy water?
What?
We know you guys want some.
I'll think about it.
Oh, you'll think about it?
Spicy water sounds good.
And then you won't win the grand prize that's up there.
You know what? You got out.
No.
Go away. You're getting texts from everyone. Look at how many texts he's getting.
Oh!
He's getting so many texts. Look, oh my god, so many people are texting you. And you don't get to check them because you're stuck in a truck. So you guys are bored enough? Because I heard you guys negotiating to, if somebody gets out of the truck, you guys will share the prize.
What?
That isn't happening.
Oh my god.
One winner, okay? One winner. And only one person can get this prize. Because it's only for one person. It can't be shared. Earthquake simulator.
Oh,
I think someone has an announcement to make. What did you say about that?
bro. Like, dude, it's been 8 hours. I'm done. It's been fun, but
You just want some chips, man. Just want some chips.
yeah, dude.
Oh. Wow. Ruffles. How's it feel that you're out of the torture? You got your
I guess
chips?
I'm not like him. Didn't get any chips.
Nobody as dedicated as him.
Yo, dude.
This man just said he's all about dedication the whole time.
I said I was gonna win this, didn't I?
Yeah, and now you get the grand prize. All right, you got the grand prize. Are you ready to open it?
Yeah.
Hopefully it's $1 million.
Okay. I will present you with your prize now. Look at the golden. This is golden prize. You ready? Ready?
Oh my god.
There it is. $1.
Huh.
You did it. You've gotten $1. Congratulations. You can have your prize. There it is.
Get the shit out of here.
They're kids in Africa.
8 hours and $1.
8 hours sitting there for $1, bro.
Hey, take it. Yeah, you got it. Yeah. Hey. All right, guys. That is the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Damn, dude. Make sure to check out my Instagram. The link is in the description. And shout out to James for winning the competition, winning $1. That's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I'll see you guys next video. Peace.
No, fuck.